It's quiet at home, feels too alive, like memories dancing in the light. There's something I'm not ready for. Your name still lingers in the air, like perfume left behind somewhere. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to burn, can you feel me near? When your thoughts begin to turn, I've been waiting, barely breathing, in the space you used to fill. If you feel me like I feel you, then this heart is beating still. Each little sound still feels like you. The floor remembers every move. I walk through rooms we once knew well, but every step just pulls me through. A part of me don't want to let go. Your name still lingers in the air, like perfume left behind somewhere. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to burn, can you feel me near? When your thoughts begin to turn, I've been waiting, barely breathing, in the space you used to fill. If you feel me like I feel you, then this heart is beating still. Maybe love just learns to wait behind the doors we never faced. If you feel me late at night, that's my heart still holding tight. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to burn, can you feel me near? When your thoughts begin to turn, I've been waiting, barely breathing, in the space you used to fill. If you feel me like I feel you, then this heart is beating still.